Sir Dirk will lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. So we are using the reward system to reward the intelligence of our bird. And as what I have said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special intelligent bird. That is because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared two tests for Jumbo. First, we will be having the spelling test. So I have been finding little pictures. We have the camel, the snake, the tiger, horse, and a zebra. And I want you to choose one animal picture. Say it to the on. Louder. Zebra or tiger? Okay, let's have tiger in this picture. Well, Mr. James is preparing for the jumbled letters. Let's have an interview with Mr. Ayan. Mr. Ayan, how are you today?
Fine.
You're fine. Okay, now Mr. Ayan, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but now staying in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Are you sure? So let's do the tiger. And come on. Good. First letter, pick up the T. Now go to the second one, buddy. Tiger. All right. Very good. Pick up the I. Third letter of tiger. No, that's it. No. Very good. No. Come on. Don't move. Tiger. Come on. Very good. We call it R. The time is spelled P-I-G-E-R. Well, after the spelling test, we will be having a mathematical test. And this time it's an addition, so I want you to give me two numbers between 1 to 10. This side, hand side, one number between 1 to 10. Let's have, is it 7? Yeah, okay, 7. This side, higher than 5. Okay, let's have this, 10. 10 and 7. So 7 plus 10, what's your answer? No answer, it's easy. Alright, now Mr. Ryan, what is Jumbo's favorite food?
Lettuce, seeds, fruits, and
Okay, so Jumbo loves the variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. What? For the last question, Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and math.
English and math. And by the way, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu, Sakar.
Are you sure? Alright, what's 7 plus 10? Very good. You picked up number 1. I'll make it correct, buddy. 7 plus 10. Very good. Alright. 7 plus 10 equals to 17. So, plus our green number me. Jumbo, thank you so much. And at this moment, I need volunteers. Who wants a volunteer? But I'm Pulapi said for your name. Bonnie, where are you? Forward. Don't move. Alright. Now, Santiners, or as you can see, Bonnie is a very small bird, but he is also a good leader. So after Bonnie will finish his food, he will go back inside to call his friends. So by the way, what he is eating is sunflower seeds, because they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Thank you so much. Ready, ma'am? No, don't move. Ready? Because I want you to meet our group of Santiners, Bunny's friends. Come on out. So Santiners have golden plumage from their head, down to its underparts, and a green wings. And a young Santiner appears more olive green in color. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll choose for the third volunteer. At our couple bird named Ding and Dong. So Santiners are monogamous type of bird. That means they only have one partner for a lifetime. So when their partner dies, that's the only time they will find for another mating partner. Thank you so much. Alright, last one. Adult again. I need someone with money. Alright, now Miss Samantha, I have here Mr. Ayan. With a platter of honey and you need to hold it with your two hands. Extend your arms, face to the crowd. Make it lower to your feet. Alright. Now just the same with them, don't do extra movement. Just relax and don't touch the bird, okay? Now Miss Samantha for the last question. Are you ready? Yes. This is eagle. Right? Alright, I'm just kidding. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our beautiful lorries. Come on out, buddies. So we have your cup and rainbow lorries. And inside the platter is a honey because they love to eat honey, nectar, pollens. But here in the park, they are fed with variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Same with sunconures, lorries can live up to 20 to 25 years in the wild, while in captivity they can live up to 30 to 35 years. Alright, very good. Now Miss Samantha, you can get your money again and show it to the crowd, please. No, your money first. Yeah, and show it to the crowd. And come forward again. Just relax. Alright, now Miss Samantha has 100 pesos. Now mom, all you have to do is fold your money into half 3 times same direction. Just relax. That's fine. It's good. Extend your arms like this. Alright. And just the same. No extra movement. Just relax. And please no touching of the bird. Can you make it? Alright. And another question. Do you have extra money?
It's in the bag.
Like how much? Okay, that's fine. Because I want you to meet the twin brother of Bunny, our another son to your name, Sunny. Now, Sunny, come out. So, Sunny loves money, and normally in the world, they like to pick up things to build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do. Pick it up. Good, great. Give it to Kuya Ayo. Alright, now buy Sunny and buy 100. Thank you. I mean, we have to do it with your extra money. Does she have 1,000 in the bag? It's fine, we'll do it with 1,000. No, I'm just kidding, Miss Samantha. So please extend your arms again and open palm because Sunny will return back your money, okay? And this time when Sunny lands on you, please don't touch the bird and you can put it back, okay? Okay, just relax. Now Sunny, come out. Hi. Okay, bring the 100, buddy. Very good. Slowly, put it back slowly. Very. Oh, yeah, well done. I'll do it again. All right. Okay, so we're applause to our son to your name, Sunny, and thank you so much, Miss Saman, Mr. Ward, together with our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aiken. So, tucan is the largest and the best known toucan species around the world. So, they have that white plumage from their head, from its neck, and the rest of its color is black to help them camouflage in the rainforest. Where are you going? That's right, buddy. Come on, Mr. Aiken, come on. So they have a big and colorful bill that it looks heavy, but actually it's extremely light because it's made up of protein, keratin, just like our hairs and nails. And Mr. Aiken will toss some fruit to Mr. Horn, and we will see how good it is at catching. Ready? Very good. Now, toucans are omnivorous, meaning they eat meat from small mammals, small reptiles, but more on seeds, wild berries, and other fruits and vegetables. This way. And there are about 40 toucan species around the world, but one thing they have in common is their large and colorful bill. Okay. Relaxed. One more. Very good. Would you like to follow Mr. Aiken, buddy? Someone's calling on your left side. Very good. So, applause to our tuca name, Mr. Horn. And since we're already in Brazil, let's meet
Rudy. Yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most complicated Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right. And mimic is to copy sound of what they hear every day.
Okay, say hi. Hello. They can mimic the different sounds of the animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And also they can mimic the telephone ringing. Okay, start. Rooster first. Cut! grow. Cats grow. Okay. How about cats?
Rudy, can you bark?
Okay lang yung telephone. How about whistle?
And also, Rudy and Lani, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up, please.
Okay, let's do the warm up. Now for the first song. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Now before the second song, let me ask for who's celebrating the birthday today or this month? Okay, hi, happy birthday, and listen carefully because Lani and Dodi will sing a happy birthday song. Okay, sing the birthday? Sing the birthday.